Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Asad Yaqub, and today I am very happy because I have purchased Zoom H6 handy recorder. Okay, now why did I buy this handy recorder? This is for my online classes, because in online classes when I teach the students I have to play the audio. So if I play the audio from my mobile, then the sound quality is not very good. Number two, for my IELTS master class, I have to play audios for IELTS listening. Then I have to record speaking tests of my students so that they could see them later and evaluate their own performance. For that, I spend around $400 to purchase this Zoom H6 handy recorder. Well guys, let me tell you, once upon a time when I started making videos, I took a start with, on wedding people make videos, they have big cameras, they used to put on their shoulder like this camera and they make videos, and they used to make videos like this and all that. So my first video which was ever made, that was made on this camera. Right, still you can see in Urdu language I was teaching how to speak English and tenses and all that stuff. So that was the beginning. I did not even have my own camera, and those videos were uploaded on YouTube by one of my friends, Agha Imran Babar. He did that, right? And now today I can spend on cameras, I can spend on gadgets and all that. This freedom I achieved over these years. It took me around 11 years to reach the point where I am today. It did not happen overnight. So if I can do it, you can do it. The only purpose of making this video is to motivate you. Once upon a time when we start, we are feeble, we are humble, we are vulnerable. And once we reach closer to our desired goals in life, then we become stronger, we become braver, we become more powerful. That is what happened with me. Once upon a time, buying these things could be a dream. Even I did not know about these things. If you go back 8 years, I did not even know about any voice recorder and all that stuff. But then I learned, I acquired, I improved my skills, and here I am in front of you. So Asad Yaqub is a very good case study from zero to this point. Now let's open this box and I show you what are the contents, what is inside. And then now next I'm going to make my videos using this Zoom recorder. The sound quality is going to be excellent. You will see my IELTS videos being recorded on this. So be happy. Now the quality is going to be better. Let's open the box now. Okay guys, now let's open Zoom H6 handy recorder. Let's see. Okay. Wow. Okay, I'm so excited about it. All right, and by the way, I purchased it from Karachi. You can see that B&W Collections. Now let me tell you, in Lahore the price was 56,000 Pakistani rupees, and in Karachi, B&W Collections, they offered this to me in 50,000 rupees. So I saved 6,000 rupees solid. Let's open this. Okay, I can open it. This is the seal of B&W. All right. Wow, that's truly awesome, remarkable. So first of all, we've got these booklets. You can see handy recorder and all that. Who is going to read? I'll just watch one video on YouTube and I will understand each and everything. So I don't need to go for that. And then we have batteries. Okay, they are not chargeable ones. I do have chargeable batteries already, so I will use my own batteries. Okay, now let's see. First we take out this thing. Let's see, what is that? Oh gosh, black XY mics. Great, great. And these mics can even move. Yeah. I had seen a video. Yeah. 120 and 90 degree and 120 to 90 degree. And again, you can just put it there. All right. Now, let's go on with the main thing. And the main thing is this boy. Come out, my boy. Wow. Really solid. Now guys, can you believe me? This is something I used to see on YouTube. I watched many videos about H6 handy recorder, and I can't believe now this recorder is in my own hands and I see it as well. It's quite good. The plastic is quite nice, solid, and it's got little weight, not very heavy, but it's got little weight, and they've got DC 5 volts as well. Yeah, we can go on. This is for menu. We can turn it on like this and all that stuff. I'm quite happy. Although I don't know, and this screw is for the stand. Like if you want to put it on the stand, you can just do it easily. And then 2 plus 2 inputs. And you can just input the other thing as well. Like for example, if you got this jack, you want to use any other mic. So I think you can use this. Yes, exactly. I was looking for XLR cable, but I didn't find XLR mics. Like in clip mics, I didn't find any XLR mic, but this is awesome. You can just put it here, and now you can put any mic, so like Boya mic or any other mic, and that's good. So they've got this switches here. Now I'm going to just see how it works, and this mic is going to be clipped here. Right, let's just try. Okay, I'm quite excited about it. Yes, wow. Just check the look of it, huh? This is so solid, so awesome. You look professional. If you use devices like this, you've got something like this, so you look quite professional. This is awesome. So guys, thank you very much. Please comment and do congratulate me. I'll feel good when you are going to text me. And now I'm going to just put the batteries in and I'll check how it works and all that stuff. Okay guys, you can see this now. This device is on, and I'm going to watch a couple of videos on YouTube, and I'm going to learn how to use this wonderful thing. So all the best. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching this video, and you must comment to congratulate me for this wonderful purchase. Thank you guys. All the best. Take care. Bye bye.